Hi, this is the third quarter market report. I'm Stacie Koroly, and today we are going to look at real data and numbers, because the way that I see it is the more information, the more educated you, the seller, and you, the buyer, are in making one of the most important financial decisions that you will make. So let's take a look at the numbers right now. So third quarter, what does that mean? So it means July, August, and September. We're looking at this year, 2022, and then also let's compare it to 2021. Where were we? So here's where we are. We're looking at Bucks County. We're going to go through this one by one. Third quarter sales in 2021, 2,643. It's good. However, this year there were only 2,102 sales. What does this mean? Well, the sales were down over 12 months, 20%. That is not a lot of inventory, folks. Now, let's take a look at your sale price. So in 2021, third quarter, Bucks County, $479. Okay, that's healthy, strong. Third quarter this year, it jumps to $540,000 for the average sale price, making it a return of, it's up 11%. The average days on the market in any county, they're almost identical. But here's the point, is that the inventory is going down, the sale prices are going up. Now let's talk about this. What was the mortgage rate at the time? Listen to this, it's very striking. In 2021, interest rate was 3.25% to 3.5%. Now shoot to 2022, now you're at 6.875% to 7.25% in the third quarter. So in 1 year, the interest rates doubled, yet the sale prices went up 11%, 10%, 11%, 6%. So Chester County, where I live, so 2021 third quarter, 2,555 homes sold in that county. Awesome. Now in 2022, it dips to 1,891 homes. Look at that, that's a drop of 26%. The inventory went down, and again, sale prices went up 10%. So the average sale price in 2021 in Chester County, $499,000. In the third quarter this year, it jumps $554,000, went up 10%. All of these counties, Delaware County, now your sales went down 19%, sale price went up 11%. Montgomery County, that's one of the biggest, so that went down 22%, the inventory. The sale price went up 6%. So when you're looking at these numbers, what does this really mean? Is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to buy? Let me ask you a question. Before 2021, were the sale prices I've been doing this for 25 years, and here's what I've seen. Over the course of years, it's going up, it's going up. It spiked big time in the past year. Do you think the sale price is going down? It is not. Are the interest rates going up? We may have one more little increase, but that should not dissuade you from buying a home. And here's why. In the real estate business, we say this: marry the house, date the rate. Get the house that you want. You can refinance at a later time. In addition, sometimes people think that the only option out there for a mortgage is a conventional loan. It isn't. There are other products out there. Call your mortgage consultant and find out, because you could do a seven-year ARM. What does that mean? You get a lower interest rate over the course of 7 years, and you can lock in. There are other products besides that 30-year conventional. So please take a look at the numbers that I'm showing you, and if you have any interest in your specific town, I'm happy to provide it. So for instance, I live in Malvern. Here's the numbers in Malvern, Chester County. So 2021, 146 sales. In quarter 3 this year, it dropped 92 homes. That's a drop of 37%. Think about that, 37%. The inventory went down in Malvern. Now sale price. A year ago in 2021, the average sale price was $675,000. In 2022, it jumped $793,000. The increase in Malvern jumped 17.5%, the value of homes. So if you want to know about your town, whether it's media, whether it's Doylestown, it doesn't matter, Collegeville, Downingtown. I have all the data to give you really good information and content so that you can make a really good financial decision moving forward. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, check out my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I would love that. Stacie Koroly. You can call me at 610-659-3559 or find me at staciekoroly.com. Thank you so much for watching.